How to turn off page away message on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page away message on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and let's go back first, and first thing we're gonna do is click this three lines in the top corner, and here you will find pages. Click on it and then just select your page, and here click this settings icon in the top corner and then click messaging. Now just click, you will find this one away message here, and you will find your away message. Just click on it and you can change it, and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.